Hey everyone, welcome back. So as you can see, the name is not Ranch Life anymore, it's Jabara, and that's just a combination of my name and my husband's name, and I will explain more about that later. But today we have a fall decorate and clean with me, so I hope you're ready for that. I hope it inspires you. I hope it motivates you. If you're new here, then please feel free to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, comment, and like. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do.
So I did have quite a bit to do today. I'm just cleaning up the kitchen really quick. I like to do that before I start decorating. Today we're getting out all the fall decor. I still feel like I'm missing stuff, but I'm not sure yet. But we will be making stuff throughout the month and maybe even putting up a fall tree. So be on the lookout for that. But anyway, for right now, I'm just going to clean up the kitchen.
Take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh. Honest for a second, yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know.
I'm just using vinegar and water to clean my sink, and I usually also put a little Dawn in there or the dish soap to take away any grease or anything like that.
Leave me, then just do it. Ooh. Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Spinning like a broken record for a player you don't know that many made.
And as you can see, I had a lot of decor to put away. That was because I actually rearranged in the living room just a bit. I redid a piece of furniture over the weekend, and so I had to take everything off of that wall over there, and I'll show you that when we get to it.
We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to?
So here we are in the dining room, and I just needed to throw this box away. New Air had sent me a gift, and it is like an AC unit that's just by itself. You just put they send you these freezer things, and you put them in the freezer, and then you put water in here, and it just makes really cold air, which is really nice. And I think it'll come in handy if we ever lose power. We can just plug this into the generator and have like a little AC unit. I also just needed to wipe down the door in here. It gets used a lot, so anyway, that has to be cleaned quite often. And I don't know if I said this, but we're gonna be redoing the dining room also soon. I'm just working on the living room right now, but the dining room is our next thing that we kind of want to change around a little bit. So we're excited for that too.
Throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry. I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine.
So over the weekend, I was so excited. We finally got the table built for the living room, and now we're going to be working on the end tables this week, and I'm super excited about that. This is going to be another item in our Etsy shop, so we really wanted to take our time and think about what we wanted, and we came up with this, and I really like it. I think it's going to go great here in the living room, and especially once we get the other tables and the rug, everything's just going to come together nicely. So we're excited for that too. We've just been making some changes, and this is the piece I was telling y'all about. I don't know if y'all remember it being just a desk there. This is actually called an antique secretary's desk, and we just repainted it, we sanded it, and did a lot of stuff to it, and it actually came out really nice, and it's almost the same color as the fireplace, so I think it just kind of ties everything in together. I also just wanted to take everything off of this fireplace and kind of get it ready for the holidays. I didn't like all the gaming systems up there, all the wires showing. It just drives me crazy. So anyway, I just took those down, and I'm going to have the kids take them to the room in a minute. But anyway, we're also going to be building some shelves along the sides of the fireplace also, because I just want more places to put decor and pictures and all that stuff, and just make it feel more cozy in this room because it's very empty.
Like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt.
So we're just about done cleaning, and then we're gonna pull out the decor. It's always exciting to start decorating for fall, because I know that Christmas is just around the corner and I love decorating for Christmas. So anyway, I'm just using my O-Cedar mop and some Pine Sol to clean the floors really quick.
I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't.
So here's all the decor I could find, and I feel like I'm missing some, like I said, but I'm not sure. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate. I wanted to slow it down for y'all so y'all could really see what I was doing. And this is actually not even a tray. It's a drawer that my father-in-law, it was in a end table, and I just took it out and painted it, and I really like it. So, and he had liked it too, so I'm glad that he saved it, because we threw away the end table. But anyway, it just makes a really cute little decor piece for like a farmhouse. So if you ever find little drawers or anything like that, you can redo them to make them like little trays like this.
You can't turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or
So that's going to be about it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope it inspired you. I hope it motivated you. And as always, take care. Love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Also, like, share, and comment. I'll talk to you guys later.
find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know